Hello students, good morning. Yesterday we have started second chapter nutrition in animal, and I told you different step of the nutrition in animals. There is a 5 step of nutrition in animal: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. And there is a different type of animal, there is a different type of the intaking process, that some animals is taking by the hands, some taking by the food by direct mouth, some is taking by the tongue. There is a different type of the animals, there is a different type of the nutrition intaking process. This we have done. Now today we will start. Now for homework I have given these MCQ question. Now check your answer if you have done. Then first process of the nutrition in animals are how many steps? There is a 5 answer. 5 will come. Next, the process by which food is taken inside the body is called ingestion. The process of intaking food in body is called ingestion. That is this D answer is right option. Next, our constant momentum of blank by paramecium pushes the food particle along with the water current into its mouth. Their right answer is cilia. Next, process by which undigested food is removed from the body is called that ingestion, assimilation, absorption, egestion. The right answer of this question is egestion. By which process undigested food is removed, that is egestion. Next, the mouth part of insect are modified to form a blank to suck liquid food. That is answer of this question will be feeding tube. Now check your answer. If there is some wrong, then correct your answer. Now we will start. There is the next topic, human digestive system. Now there I am telling their part. Now from here we will start there in human being how the digestive system take place. First is the food intake by the body from our mouth. There is a salivary gland, tongue, salivary gland. The salivary gland secretes saliva. From here then food will pass through this pipe, and this pipe is known as the food pipe, and other name you can say esophagus. From this pipe then food will go to the stomach, and this our stomach, its shape is J-like structure. This one stomach. Now from the stomach then there is a that HCl, hydrochloric acid, and the digestive juice that is help to digest our food. Now undigested food will go through this one. Now there is a liver. Liver is the largest gland of our body. There is a one part that is known as the gallbladder. This one is the gallbladder. This gallbladder is used to store the juice, and that juice name is known as the bile juice. That is a secret from our liver. Now from this one our food will go through this one, and there is a pancreas. Now pancreas is also our gland, and this one will secrete pancreatic juice that also used to help digest our food. Now from there food will go through this one. Now this one is a small intestine. From the small intestine then food will pass through there. There is a small finger like structure inside this small intestine that is known as the villi. That is known as the villi. What is villi? Villi is a finger like structure that is the absorb the main nutrients from the food. Now after absorption process then our food will go to the large intestine. Now from the large intestine water is left. If in food then water absorption processes take place in the our last part, that is a large intestine. Now from here that is a waste phases that passes through the rectum, and from the rectum then it will pass through the anus, then from the anus then it will come outside from our body, and this process is known as the egestion. That is the complete digestive system of our body. Then from here to there food will go, and up to there then is the waste phases that is left. After the absorption of the complete nutrient digestive, then it will come out from this one. Now this one complete digestive system we will read from our book. We will start digestion in human. We take in a food through a mouth. digest and utilize it. The undigested part of the body of the food are expelled from the body. Then there is the digestive system. We will intake food through mouth, then we will digest it, utilize it, and then after utilization, then undigested part of the food are come out from our body. Then the food passes through a large long muscles canal called alimentary canal. This is a complete food process take place in our body, that is known as a alimentary canal or digestive tract, which begin at the buccal cavity and of at the anus. That our complete alimentary canal start from buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is near our mouth. Then and at the anus. Anus is a part for the egestion process, from which that waste feces will come outside from our body. Alimentary canal consists of, there is a different part up to buccal cavity, oral cavity, esophagus or food pipe, and third stomach. After stomach, then next will be small intestine, then large intestine ending at the rectum, and next will be anus. The inner wall of the stomach, small intestine, and various glands such as the salivary gland, liver, pancreas secrete gastric juice. What is gastric juice? That is the juice which help to digest our food. These gastric juice complex convert complex insoluble food substance into simpler substance. That is known as the process known as the digestion. The digestive tract and the associative gland together constitute the digestive system. Now from these complete gland, our complete digestive system make a complete digestive system. In this one take place different part, which we have told that there is a different part, buccal cavity. Then after buccal cavity, food will go through the food pipe. Then after food pipe, then stomach, then it will go small intestine, then large intestine, then it will come outside from our body. Now first part is the ingestion. What is the ingestion? Ingestion is the process of intaking food. We have learnt then the process of the taking food in the body is called ingestion. Human beings have mouth for ingestion of food, that is food taken into body through mouth with the help of hands. Next, digestion, buccal cavity, oral cavity. Now our digestion start from our mouth after intake. From mouth, food goes to the buccal cavity, we can say oral cavity. Buccal cavity contain teeth, tongue, salivary gland. Let us study in detail about each of them. First, teeth. Teeth break the food into the small pieces, chewing and grind it. Chewing makes small pieces of food with saliva. This process is known as the mastication. Now this digestion of food inside buccal cavity is called mechanical digestion. Each tooth is present in separate socket. In gums, the white and hardest substance which cover teeth is called enamel. That is the hardest part up of the teeth is known as the enamel. That is a enamel, which is help to chewing, that tasting, that part is known as enamel. Our teeth are different shape and carry different function. Yes, our teeth having the different type of shape and having the different function. Based on their structure and function, teeth are 4 type: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. These are the 4 type of the scissor. In previous class also we have done about this type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisor means cutting teeth which help to cut our food, that is incisor teeth. These are the 4 flat blade like teeth present in the front of each jaw. These teeth are used to bite and cut the food into the small pieces. Incisor are the part of the teeth that is used to cut the food into small pieces. Now next is the canines, tearing teeth. Tearing means that is the, if we are taking some food, then it will be converted into 2 or more numbers by tearing. These are the present on the either side of the incisor. They are the 2 in number in each jaw, and these are the sharp and pointed teeth which help in the tearing the food. Next, premolar grinding teeth, that there is a two type of premolar. Next to each canine, 4 in number in each jaw. These have broad and flat grinding surfaces. They grind food and break into the simple pieces. Now incisor, there is a cutting teeth, canine is a tearing teeth, and premolar is a grinding teeth. Next, our molar.